Hello, this is Marc Soler for Spotahome.com. I'm going to show you today an amazing apartment in the city center of Valencia. The apartment, one room, it's situated in Calle Convento de Jerusalén, very close to the city center. Well, actually it's in the city center. It's 5 minutes by walk to Metro Xàtiva, and from there it's like 15 minutes to the airport. So this is the main entrance, the main door, and when we get in, we see the kitchen, the living room. Let's have a look. As you can see, it has everything you need. It has sofa, table, TV. The kitchen has a washing machine and as well a fridge and a freezer that are out there, here. Yeah. As well, one sink, and it's full equipped. It comes with everything for cooking and for eating. So the landlord has some services, so in case you want a desk, they can bring it. In case you want some bunk beds to bring more people, they can bring it. So they have quite very nice people. So again, this apartment, it's just one room with its own toilet over there, well, bathroom. This is the room. Yeah, it's double bed, very nice. This wall, it's so cute. I mean, I love this kind of walls. Yeah, and it has a small balcony that goes, well, to the internal patio, which is not the best views ever, but during the whole day you receive a lot of light from all these buildings. And today it's not the most lighty day in Valencia, but usually you have light in here. It has as well, of course, wardrobes and storage space. So this was the living room, main room, and the toilet, the bathroom, sorry. Here it is. As you can see, get here, the shower. There's people right now, so that's the reason there's things over here, but it's very nice place. High quality, I think. Yeah. So, this was it. Thank you very much. Marc Soler for Spotahome.com, Valencia.